I probably spent too much. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. In the last episode, we picked up this 2010 Toyota Tacoma from the Copart salvage auction, and man, I fell in love with this little truck. We decided to paint it all over. So this is episode 2, and this is going to be paint day. And in today's episode, we're going to start getting this truck painted, and we're going to get the bed painted, the tailgate painted, the front bumper painted, and after that's all ready to go, we're going to work on this cab and get that going. And then we got to put a little bit of paint on that radiator support that we welded in episode 1. So that's enough talking. Let's jump straight into the booth and get this stuff painted and see how it looks. It is really hot in the booth today, but we got the hood painted, the fenders painted, the bumper painted, the whole bed and tailgate painted. And now we're working on the cab, which is only the 2 doors and the back of the cab and the roof. Already looking absolutely beautiful. We got the base coat on, and man, I tell you, it's already dry. So we're gonna get that clear coat put on. We're gonna put 2 nice even coats and make this thing shine. We'll get this truck on its way to being put back together. Can't wait to get her done. Can't wait to see how it turns out. So let's get to work and put the clear coat on. Well, just a little bit off camera, we started putting this truck back together, and man, it's turning out really nice. I picked up these nice aluminum wheels off the Facebook Marketplace for only a couple of $100, and it had these Bridgestone Dueler tires on there, the 245/75/17s, and they're not completely worn out. They got some life left in them, so I'm pretty excited that we were able to pick those up. Man, this truck is turning out really good. But it's really dirty on the inside. And if you know me, you know I'm about to pull these seats out. I've got the steam cleaner. We're gonna get everything cleaned up inside like new, get it all shined up, pull it outside, and show you what it looks like. Can't wait to get this sucker done. I hadn't even got to drive it down the road yet. So let's stop talking. Let's get to work. telling you what, this thing cleaned up pretty good on the inside. From where it was at to where it is now, this thing looks really good. I'm satisfied with that. The little bench seat turned out really good as well. I just used the steamer on it, and it's still kind of drying up, but I'm satisfied with that. So it's about time for me to get the seat put back in. Let's get it outside, kind of wipe it all down. We'll break down the price for you so you know how much we paid and how much we got in it. And you're probably gonna be right. It could be a lot. But let's put the seat in, let's get it outside and see how it all looks. The high bid on this truck was $5,600. Copart tacked on $968 in fees. We paid $115 shipping, which made the price $6,683 when we unloaded the truck here at the shop. We bought $1,314 worth of parts, $274 in paint, which made the grand total on this truck $8,271. We always want to know what you think. What do you think about the $8,271? I know you're going to say that I spent too much, and you're probably right, but I absolutely love this truck and I wanted it to look good. Definitely let us know in the comments what you think about this little truck and how it turned out. I haven't even got to drive it yet, except around the parking lot here. I'm in no hurry to sell it whatsoever. I'm going to enjoy this truck for a while. I'm about to drive it down the road for the first time. But I think we've ran out of time for this video, guys. And don't forget to give us a follow on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always try to post there before YouTube. A special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you guys next time in the next episode. I'm gonna go drive this Tacoma a while. We're out.